Introducing the future of bottle manufacturing, the fully automatic all-electric PET blowing machine by PLAST India. Powered by advanced servo motors in every motion, from clamping to stretching to ejecting, every movement is smoother, faster, and more reliable. With our intelligent PLC control panel, operation becomes incredibly easy and user-friendly. You get maximum output with minimum power consumption, making it the smartest investment for your growing business. From water to juice, from edible oil to pharma bottles, our machines are trusted by industries across India and overseas. We don't just deliver machines, we deliver performance. Backed by PLAST India's expert service team and 24/7 support, we ensure your production never stops. Quality service, on-time delivery, and trusted partnerships, that's our promise. Choose innovation. Choose efficiency. Choose the fully automatic all-electric PET blowing machine from PLAST India.